Hey there, and welcome to SkillsForge Pro. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create a stunning gold text effect in Canva in just a few simple steps and in less than 2 minutes. To make the gold text stand out beautifully, start by selecting a dark background. Head over to the Elements section and search for a black or textured background that enhances the golden effect. Once you've found the perfect one, apply it to your design. Next, search for a gold texture by typing gold in the Images section. Pick a bright, shiny gold image to achieve the most realistic effect. Now go to the App section and search for FontFrame. Open the app and type your desired text, for example, golden. Then choose a font that fits your style. Click on Choose File and select the gold texture you found earlier. Then hit Add to Design and watch as your text transforms into a beautiful gold masterpiece. Finally, remove the original gold image and center your new gold text. For the finishing touch, adjust the size to make your design pop. And that's it! We hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed it, let us know in the comments what Canva techniques you'd love to learn next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial.